Engine's at 36, so that's nice and low, man. This thing is taking a beating. Gonna keep going until I see anything change, but it's been okay for now. And I'm seeing 80 volts still, so it's liking the abuse a little bit. Alright, boys and girls, this is going to be the 250 amps with the 550 max phase. I gotta turn the bike on to see the real thing. Probably help. 550 amp, 600 boost, 250 line.
Alright, let's go.
Holy shit. A little dangerous feeling, but man, this thing, whew, I keep saying it. Just gotta do this if you have this bike. Wow. Wow.